This review is of Reese's snack cakes. There are two cakes, chocolate cake topped with Reese's peanut butter cream covered in smooth real milk chocolate. Oh gosh, milk chocolate, hooray. It is Parv, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. Let's see if there's anything else. Well, it's vegetarian. Nutrition facts: 380 calories in a package. Of course, calories don't actually exist. 21 grams of fat, of which 11 are saturated. That'd be probably palm oil or coconut oil. No trans fats. Less than 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 170 milligrams of sodium, 45 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 33 grams of sugar, of which 31 are added, and 6 grams of protein. And here are the glorious and unhealthful ingredients. Man, all kinds of stuff. Palm kernel oil, all kinds of oils in here. Corn syrup, palm oil, lactose, milk fat, hydrogenated vegetable oil, which is palm oil, palm kernel oil, soybean oil, partially defatted peanuts. Why would you defat peanuts? Dextrose. Good Lord, there's so much. The cocoa is processed with alkali, so it's been ruined. All kinds of stuff in here. Man, this is just like... sounds wonderful. I'm being sarcastic, by the way. Sounds like it's really gross. We keep on moving further and further away from what's food into the realm of how soon is it going to kill me? Which is disturbing, to say the least. It's not a cake. It's a soft cookie. Almost as sweet as the peanut butter cups. Not nearly as peanut buttery. They're okay. Not too salty. Way too much sugar. But no, it's just too much sugar, really. I think they're relying very heavily on the sugar to sort it all out. And then there's all the oil. For me personally, I'm not really excited about this product. Not just because it has lactose in it, but because it's just nothing special. I guess I would give this a 4. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.